Today it's about prompt engineering. If you are not doing core programming, if you are not building the AI systems themselves, to be good with AI, you need to know how to prompt. But what does that even mean? That is what we are going to rating on. And for the learning goal is basically today to just understand what a large language module is and how it's able to generate text and how it's able to predict what it should generate next and why sometimes it produces information that is not accurate. And so with this kind of information, you would be able to see that, okay, so it's mainly about probability. It's not about the truth. No, it's not up to that standard yet. It doesn't know what the truth is. It just gives you a response based on the probability of it being true. So then you would be able to treat it like it is supposed to be treated and not like a magic that is able to solve every problem that you have. The ghost in the machine. Now that we understand what large language module is, in words, what does it mean technically? Large language modules reads a lot of text data during training. So it is being bombarded with a lot of data, a lot of text, just for it to be able to use it to predict what is next. A perfect example is, let's say you start to type the capital of France is. It's able to say that it's Paris, not because it is programmed specifically to say that Paris is the capital of France. No, it's just because that pattern has occurred a lot in the amount of data that it has. That's just it. And so we can see the inputs and the outputs. We type out the inputs and the outputs it gives to us, and then we are informed about it. But we are not able to completely see how the decision is made. If you would want to confirm this, you can watch this movie. It's called AlphaGo. Benny, have you watched that movie? Oh, okay. It's a really interesting movie to watch. So with this one, they built the AI to be able to play a certain game. And there were certain flaws that the AI sometimes encountered. So they were not sure whether to actually release it. The goal for them was for the AI to compete with the best player for that game. And the day was approaching. They still couldn't figure out exactly when the AI falls into the loop of not being able to predict the right results. But they went ahead anyway. And fortunately for them, with the number of games that were played, the AI was able to win most of it. It's about just being open-ended, because you never know how it makes the decision. Just hope that what it gives you is the right results. And you would only be that good at that by practicing prompt engineering. Perfect. And just to summarize what we have discussed so far, because this is more about how to prompt. And for every individual, what we see, what we use, most of us, is the interface layer for these language modules. And for the large language modules, we mostly go for either ChatGPT, which is built by OpenAI, or we go with Claude. I use Gemini a lot, so you see Gemini here also from Google. And these interfaces are the products that we use. And the large language module is the engine that is beneath these tools that have been mentioned. There are way more. These are just few tools. And so prompt engineering, it's more about learning how to talk to these large language modules effectively. And that is exactly what we are going to be looking deep into in these subsequent days with this. All right, let me know if you have any specific expectations for the coming days, or you are open to whatever is prepared. For today, this will be it.